Good morning, dear students. Today we are going to start a new chapter, Microsoft Word, chapter number 9. So, first of all, before we start, let's learn what is Microsoft Word. Microsoft Word is a word processing program which helps us to write, type, letters, reports, and make it beautiful. You can add borders, shading, tables, and graphics in your documents. So let's learn how to start MS Word. Dear students, today we will be learning how to start MS Word 2010. So the steps to start MS Word 2010 are: first click on Start button, then click on All Programs, then click on Microsoft Office. Here Microsoft Office has many programs. Among them you have to click on Microsoft Word 2010. Say this is Microsoft Word 2010 window. So we have already learned all the components of Microsoft Word window. So let's look at once again. This is File tab. File tab has a backstage view. Once you click on it, it has a backstage view. It has three parts: 1, 2, 3. Okay. Then we have a title bar. It shows the name of the document. Then we have quick access toolbar that shows you some of the shortcut buttons like save, undo, redo. Okay. After that we have this ribbon options. Ribbon has many commands with the tabs like home tab, insert tab, page layout, references, etc. Look at here, something is blinking here. This blinking line is known as insertion point. Insertion point is a flashing line on the screen that indicates where the text you type will appear. Now we have different views of the document. Look at here, we have different views. Here Microsoft Word has 5 views. First view is known as print layout. It is the default view. Then we have full screen reading, web layout. This is full screen reading. Okay. Then we have web layout. This is a web layout view. Let's open it once again. By mistake I have closed it. And see, we have next outline view. Fifth is the draft view. But by default Microsoft Word keeps print layout view. Okay. Now next we have scroll bars. See here, here you can find scroll bar helps you to move from upper part of the document to the lower part or from right to left. See here, this is the scroll bar. This helps you to scroll your document up and down. Okay. Now we have status bar. Look at here, this is the status bar. In this Microsoft window we have only one page, therefore it is showing page 1 of 1. Nothing is done here, therefore showing the word count as 0, and see the language is already selected as English. Okay. Now we have some of the program control buttons. Program control buttons are available here. This is minimize, this is maximize or the restore button, and this is the close button. Okay. Now this white area is known as the working area or the work area, where we are entering the text to create a document. So let's learn how to create a new document. See here, this is the MS Word window. So let's learn how to create a new document. So first of all, click on File tab. Click on File tab. Then here you have to click on New. Blank document is selected. Just click on Create and see a new document is open. Okay. So here we can easily create a document. Now how to enter text? Like when I'm writing, when I'm writing the name of the school. So the name of my school, the name of my school is Army Public School. So this is the way we can enter text. We can enter text. Okay. Now, after entering the text, if you want to move to the next line, what you need to do, you can press the enter key from your keyboard. You will be going to the next line. It means when you're going to the next line, it means it is creating a new paragraph. It is creating a new paragraph. Okay. So here we have learned how to create a document and how to enter text. Now, after entering the text, what we need to do? We need to select text in a document. So here I'm going to have a text first. So I need to open the saved document first. Open and see what is available on the desktop. Let me check it. So here we have already done this in the online class. So this is the document we have created during online class. So what I am going to do, I am changing the color to black and changing the font before we perform anything. Okay. See here. So here, this is the document. Okay. Now we will be applying everything. So first of all, let's learn how to select text in a document. To select a word, what we need to do? To select a word, you just make double click over the word. Double click. Double click. Double click. It means to select a word, what you need to do? You need to make a double click. To select a sentence, if you want to select a sentence, so let me make the alignment first to the left alignment, which is the default alignment of the document. So here, now if I want to select a line, what I need to do, just bring your cursor at the beginning of the sentence and see the cursor changes into a pointer. Just make a single click and see the line is selected or the sentence is selected. So what you need to do, bring your cursor at the beginning of the sentence, the cursor changes into a pointer and you can just make a single click, the line will be selected. Next, how to select a paragraph. If you want to select a paragraph, what you need to do? So let me make this as a paragraph. Okay, let me make this as a paragraph. See, I have made a paragraph. If I want to select a paragraph, what I need to do? You just bring your cursor over the paragraph and make 3 clicks together. 1, 2, 3. And see the whole paragraph is selected. Okay. Here this is the paragraph. So what I need to do? 1, 2, 3. The whole paragraph is selected. So this is the way to select a paragraph. Just make 3 clicks. Just make 3 clicks together to select a paragraph. Next, selecting any amount of text. Selecting any amount of text. It means I want to select myself and this paragraph. So what I need to do? Just make a single click here at the beginning of the sentence or the heading and then just press the left mouse button. So see the blinking of the insertion point is stopped now. And now what you can do? You can drag it to the right or drag it down and see the amount of text you can select. Now, if I want to select this part, I am 9 years old, up to I like to dance. See, it is selected. Okay. So the way, if you want to select any part of the document, what you need to do? You need to make a click before the sentence or the text and then press it and drag it down. Okay. So this is the way we can select text in a document. Now formatting text. Okay, so here I'm changing it again. Now see, formatting text makes your document look more beautiful. It makes your document look attractive and beautiful. So what we need to do? Changing font of the text. So first of all, we are going to change the font of the heading. This is the heading. So what I need to do? I need to bring this to the center so that you can see whatever I'm doing here. Okay. So what I need to do? Before you do anything, you need to select the text first. So make a double click and select myself. Go to Home tab. Under this, go to Font Group, and then what you need to do? Go to the font style. Go to the font style and you can select any of the font that you like. So see here, the font that we like, we are selecting. Okay, so I like Algerian font, so I'm going to select it. Okay, and see, it is like this. Okay, and then I want to change the font of these text. So what I need to do? I will be selecting some other text. Some other font style. So here, yes, this font I will be selecting, and see, it is already bold. So what I'm going to do, I will be using some other font style. This is the good font style I have selected. Okay, so what I need to do, I need to deselect the bold. Now this is unselected. Now here the changing font is done. Okay, now changing size of the text. If you want to increase or decrease the size of the text, you can do it. Just select myself, go to the font group. From here, just click on font size and you can change the size of the text. You can change the size of the text. So I have increased the heading, size of the heading, and see, whatever you are performing, you need to select the text first. Now click on font size and here you can increase it. So it is increased. Okay, now changing the text bold, italic or underline. So first of all, let's select the heading, go to font group. From here, just go to bold, just make a single press, single click. Okay, and say it is bold. Now if you want to make these text italicized, just click on I, italic, and see, it is little slant, and see, this view is known as the italic. Okay, now if you want to underline myself, what you need to do? Go to font group, click on underline, and see, it is underlined. So these makes your document look more beautiful. Okay, now next, what are we going to learn? We are going to learn how to change the color of the text. To change the color of the text, what you need to do? Select the text first. So we are selecting it. Go to the Home tab. From here, go to font group, and here we are going to font color. Just click on this arrow and then choose your desired color. Choose your desired color. So I'm just choosing this, and I am deselecting bold because it is looking quite like it's not looking good. So what I'm doing, I have deselected bold, and now I would like to change the color of this font also. Then select it, click on font color arrow, and then you can select your color. So here I'm selecting blue. Okay, so it is making your document look more beautiful. Okay, now after doing all these things, what you need to do? You need to save your document. You need to save your document for future use. Okay, so we have applied all the formatting options to our document. So first of all, we need to save it first. So just click on File tab. Here I'm selecting Save As feature, and see, I'm selecting the location as desktop, and see here the name is written as myself, and the myself was already made, so I'm just making myself 1, and see, I'm clicking on save. See, so here I have saved the document. Now I can access this document anytime. Now opening a saved document. So how to open a saved document? For this, what we need to do, I need to close it first. I have closed that. Okay. And see what I need to do. I need to open MS Word again. So make a click on start button, click on all programs, click on Microsoft Office, click on Microsoft Word 2010. Okay, now here I have opened Microsoft Word. Okay, now after this, what I need to do, I need to open the saved document. To do this, what you need to do, click on File tab. See here in the recent document, you can find your saved document. Here I can find myself. So just make a click and say it will open your saved document. Okay. Now, how to close a document? Here I have opened a document. I need to close it. So what will I do? Just click on File tab and see here. Just look at fourth option, close. Just make a click here and see the document is closed. But still I can see MS Word window is open. So what I need to do? I need to close this also. So what I need to do? Just make a click on File tab and see here the last option. Last option here in this list, last option is the exit. Just make a click on exit button and see you are exited from MS Word window. So what you need to do, you will be watching this video 2-3 times to clear your doubt. Okay. So now with this, the chapter is over. Thank you all of you.